are new here, my name is Kirti and I do all things makeup, beauty and lifestyle content on my channel. So in case if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, then please do consider hitting that subscribe. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I created this makeup look. I used the Colourpop Orange You Glad eyeshadow palette. So oh my god, the colors look so stunning, you guys, and they're so wearable and actually complement the Indian complexion, the medium brown skin tones so beautifully. And I also paired it up with a nice peachy orange tone lipstick. I just loved how this look turned out, like really wearable. You can just like sport this look for Indian party wears or just like western wear. So if you guys want to know how I created this makeup look, then please continue watching the video. Now I'm going to go in with the Touch and Sol Glassy Skin Balm. So this is an amazing primer if you have like dry skin, guys. This creates a nice juicy dewy canvas and it preps up your skin for your next foundation application. Just see how juicy the skin is. It doesn't have like any glitter particles in it, but it creates nice radiant like finish on skin. I just love this primer. And now I'm going to go with the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm taking a good amount of that and I'm warming the product between my fingers, and then I'm applying that on the areas where I have a bit of open pores. So the key thing with the blurring primers is that you always have to press the product into the skin, okay, with a tapping and pressing motion. So that is when the pore filling primer is going to fill in the pores and give like a minimized pore look. So now I'm going to go with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Corrector. So always remember, guys, use an orange color corrector if you have like discoloration or pigmentation or discolored acne marks on skin. So color correctors work amazing to cover up the discolorations on skin. So I'm blending that out with the Real Techniques concealer brush. You can also use a sponge here. So once this is blended out, I'm applying a concealer which is of my skin shade, okay? So now when you're applying a concealer on top of your orange color corrector, you have to pick a shade that is very close match to your skin tone because you're covering up your discoloration areas, okay? You're not highlighting that areas. So you have to look for a perfect match. And now for foundation, I'm taking my favorite NARS Natural Radiant Longwear, dotting that all over my skin, and then I'm gonna blend that out with the Damp Beauty Blender. So when it comes to foundations, I just love using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, because that creates a nice natural looking finish, but also gives a beautiful coverage that you need, okay? And the thing with brushes is that you can obviously get the coverage you want, but I just feel like the sponges gives a very seamless finish with a blend, guys. And just take good amount of time for blending and blend everything well, because the key with flawless makeup application is blending, you guys. So for concealer, I took the Too Faced Born This Way concealer for highlighting, and now I'm just going to blend that out again with the same damp beauty blender. So this is where you can actually take a lighter shade, okay? So lighter, I mean 1 to 2 tones shades lighter than your skin tone, not tones, sorry. And you can apply that on all your highest points of your face and blend that out. Now I'm going to take the iconic London Liquid Illuminator drops. I just love these drops. Oh my god, see that dewiness, you guys. See that dewiness. I just love how dewy these drops are, and how much of like glowy look they create without having a chunky glitter. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take this Colourpop Orange You Glad eyeshadow palette. Look at those stunning orange tones. Oh my god. They complement the brown skin tone so beautifully. I just love how this palette looks like, and also it's very inexpensive and have bomb shade range. I'm going to take the light orange brown and I'm applying that, not orange brown, orange, and I'm applying that on my crease to create a bit of definition. Now I'm taking a little more darker orange and I'm creating a contrast in the crease by applying the shade right there with a fluffy blending brush. So what I'm doing is basically I am layering the colors until I get that desired intensity. Now I took even more darker orange and I'm applying that on the outer V and also in the crease and creating a contrast again. Now again, I'm just taking that before orange shade that we used and I'm applying that on the lid area, just to, now this shade is going to act as like a base shade for the next shimmer shadow that we're going to apply. I'm spraying a fixer on a flat eyeshadow brush, taking that orange shade, shimmer shade, and oh my god, Like, guys, the glitters, the pigments, the shimmers are just so amazing in this palette. I just cannot tell you. I think it retails for $12, $11, I'm not sure, but very inexpensive, but the quality is so top notch, you guys. Now I'm again going back with the dark orange shade and just slowly blending that color right there, because I want a little more intensity of that color there. So now I'm going to take that glitzy glitter sort of shade and I'm applying that on the shimmer area, you know, that 3/4 of the eyelid, with a wet brush. Okay, so the key thing with this shimmer is that, glitter is that, you have to apply that with a wet brush. So it will not work with a dry brush. It has like a lot of fallout, so be careful. Take a precise brush and place the glitter where you need, and that way you can minimize the fallout, guys. Oh my god, I just loved how this glitter actually took the look to the next level. Like literally, that glitter is actually the star of the show. And now I'm applying the same orange shades that we took on the crease in the bottom part of the lash line to tie the look together. And also I'm applying the same glitter in the inner corner of the eye as well. So now I took the Fenty Beauty Cream Bronzer. Oh my god, look at how creamy that is. And I'm applying that on the bronzing areas of my face to bring that warmth on the skin. This is one of my favorite bronzers from Fenty, guys, okay? You know, it's not like overly pigmented. It's pigmented in a right way, okay? So it doesn't create that muddy, bronzy look on skin. I just love the color range, the pigmentation, the blendability, everything about that bronzer, honestly. So I'm just blending that a little bit with the sponge. And now for blush, I'm taking the Rare Beauty liquid blush in the shade called Love. I took that on the back of my hand, tapping that with the beauty blender, and I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks. So you can directly place the shade on the apples of your cheeks, but I just want a little more control over the product, so I took that with the damp beauty blender. And you have to be real quick with this blushes, guys. They dry out very quickly, and also they have great pigmentation and great longevity as well. So now once again I'm going back in with the concealer to, you know, just bring back a little bit of that pop there, and to, you know, just cover up a little bit of fallout that's there. And now for powder, I took the Bitery powder, loose powder, and I'm applying that all over my face with a damp beauty sponge again. So this is my favorite way of applying powder, and I don't take like a lot of powder, guys. I just take a little amount of it, then remove the excess on the back of my hand, and then push the powder into my skin. And that way, if you have dry skin, this technique works really good for you, because the makeup will not look flaky or cakey. And I'm applying a little bit of same powder under the eye area with a fluffy blending brush. Once again going back with that glitter there. Now I'm applying the bronzer. This is from Il Makiage. It's called Waka Waka Bronzer. It's such a beautiful tone bronzer, guys. Like, works amazing for medium complexions, and also the formula is amazing. Now for blush, I'm actually taking a powder blush from MAC. It's called Sunbask. One of my favorite shade. It's like a nudie sort of like shade. And then I'm applying a setting spray from Ilia. And now I'm going to go with the highlighter from Anastasia Amrezy. So I love applying highlighter. Like literally, the look is only complete with a highlighter, okay? Like my favorite part of makeup is actually applying a highlighter, guys. Just see that insanely beautiful glow. And also don't forget to apply your highlighter on your brow bone as well, okay? This is necessary. So whatever is like left on the brush, I'm applying that on the forehead as well. So for lipstick, I'm taking the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade called Autumn, and I'm applying that on my lips. I just love this color. So this is a color that instantly brightens up my complexion. I just love anything with like orangey tones in it. Just see that. Just see that. It literally goes so good with that eyeshadow as well. So now I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I'm coating my top and bottom lash as well with that. So this is actually one of my favorite drugstore mascara, guys. So obviously you can actually leave the look here in case if you don't apply false lashes. Totally you can just like leave it, apply mascara and leave it. Just see how beautiful that looks even without false lashes. But you know what, I like to go a little bit extra, you know, I just love a little bit of glam going on my eyes. So I'm gonna go and apply falsies later on, okay, in this video. Now I'm gonna go and apply falsies, but you can totally flaunt this look as this way as well. You know, I'm literally obsessed with this look. The base makeup, the juicy skin, the glittery orangey eye, that lip, oh my god, I just love this makeup. Look how it turned out. Yeah, I applied my false lashes, adding a bit of highlighter, and yeah, that's the final look, you guys. I hope you guys will like this makeup look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys will like this makeup look. So if you like it, then please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment down below, and also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to my channel, guys. That means so much to me. And also do follow me on my Instagram. I will leave the direct link to my Instagram handle in the description box below. So I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day. Bye.